the rhythm pulling me deeper. You know I'm caught in gravity, falling. I can't believe this night just belongs to me and you. Can you feel me? And when the lights get
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today, guys, in there for my nail appointment. Yeah.
I'm an expert at overthinking things that I shouldn't. You come across as a cool guy, someone who's the opposite. And all my friends are leaving, but I wanna stay here. Can we just stay here? Maybe just one more drink. I can't help but think, where have you been? All my life, lonely nights. You were always there at the same day. I'm an expert at overthinking things that
Hey, guys. Ndizenzile i-nails.
come across as a cool guy, someone who's the opposite. And I'm
Ndibuyile and ndisose ndagqitha ngamanqina, ndazithengela amanqina ndizotya wona. And then sivale apha ke imini namhlanje.
maybe just one more drink. I can't help but think, where have you been?
Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are still good. And today is 18 April. We are on our way to Etlon. Siyobukela siyosapota cousin brother wena uBhiki, siyapasa sayothi big sanibona phake, guys. I think ndizondivula apha ke i-vlog entsha. Yeah, ndizayivula apha, ndizawubona uba izawuphelela phi, andikho sure, but on Sunday ndiyayikhupha. Every Sunday ndiyakhupha, sikhupha i-vlog entsha. Khange ndenze ne-intro. If you are new here, my name is Sakem. Welcome to my returning service. Welcome back, my dolls. Welcome back, my day ones. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate. Masambeni, guys.
Drop the likes or a heart.
Yes, I
A
comment.
movie, it's welcome.
Like comments.
Yeah. See you in the comment section.
Thank you, Zanfaga.
Weakness, satisfying you when I keep bleeding. I don't know why.
Alivulwa kahle.
Living in my dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams, living in my dreams,
Hey guys, sifikile ke apha kweli bala nazithe sifikile but ingathi sekeqalile ke sanudlala so sizayomjonga ke ngoku sibukele utase phayeni nanke ubhuti sebukele
Kunexhego nje pha.
kaloku kuthiwe ziyilanto ke kwi-over 20 bekuthiwa under 20 ngobona over 20 ixhego ngulo unenwele ezimhlophe yho kwelo xhego lo mntu yho hayi nakulixhego lo
Waziphulela abantwana.
ubhiko uphi ngathi ancancasa akathethi
Senzonika ukutya.
bazotya kodwa bazongena
Zithi piki. Habiye.
bayangena abantwana ufike zolo mntasa
Piki.
hayi bobhiki thina siyazalana mamlumbe
Abantu abadala. Uzokora kwenzayo. Umbamba zabe emjula phansi. Imkhumbuzo. Isijawa wamqubula phansi kwethi. Nani ra. Sobonisa nomama wakhe. Ubephola lo mntwana omncane. Ingat bala 3. Azokhaba ke. Kuchuacha. Babu jalannya lu.
As your breath stirring, pulling me deeper.
Bambeli moment. Emjule phansi. Okhala makazi ngalamlets.
It's raining, my guys.
Lokho isikole serap masikhulu angisazi.
Let's bagazele ithi. Da. Le.
And when the lights get low and the shadows steal the show, are you done for it? Tell me, are you done for it? I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. Don't hold it back, it's real, baby, it's real, baby. If you lose your way, shine through the shadow. I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. Don't hold it back, it's real, baby. If you lose your way, shine through the shadow. I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. Don't hold it back, it's real, baby. No back no more. If you lose your way, shine through the shadow. I'm ready. Nothing can come in between us. 'Cause your breath's the rhythm pulling.
Okay, I'm done. Thôi chưa anh. Không chơi nào thôi nhưng có bùi. Mình coi lên là bái mình ăn không? Dạ, sơn rồi. Rồi.
We are still here, but siyahamba ngoku. Iphelile imatch. Siyagoduka. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Another day of this vlog. Sunday in Cape Town. It's raining cats and dogs. Uyanetha. So andizukwenza kwanto namhlanje ndizolala because imkelwe nangubani special lena ngondigqiba uzenzela i-chamomile tea. Athe ukutya.
Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you alone. No bombs, everything is easy when you come around. Now I remember meeting you in a dream, thinking that's the love of my life. Most handsome man I'd ever seen. I said you must be the love of my life.
Không anh rồi là cười.
Ningayqini.
Le bese ingani singaphakathi senzini mna Ntomisi Dick.
Hayibo.
Hey, echef le ifuna senze dreads. Asifuna dreads ngayile chef.
Ngubalo.
Kule party. Ongumuntu kwenyehazi.
Bathi bafuna money maker.
Istayela.
La nemali.
Bantwana, umjivo.
Yo, bantwana. Yimini money maker. Oh, ikhumbuza abantu.
Jala.
These memories will stay with me.
Nothing can come in between us. 'Cause your breath's the rhythm pulling me deeper. You know I'm caught in gravity, falling. I can't believe this night just belongs.
Çok bir bak. Cute. Very cute. Siyayazi pokule shops akupinda. Ukazi ukale? Oh. Ucinge late basiza. Njobaze, unonjobaza kasemini. Badafile nathi a. Komhlamba kube. Nje.
Ne video ya.
Kumanzi.
Kumanzi.
Ufuna ukwenza?
Ngile emotweni yakhe. Hayi.
Suka ke. Ngesuke wahamba.
Siyabhana.
Yeah? Nice.
Ngolala iziyabhana khawule.
Uyibaleka imali.
This is low. So afaka sisolo but asisitolo sikhamba basingapheli indawo.
Sihle shona. Sithambile lapha phakathi. Imali.
Skopje.
Hey. Manage change. Tap. Sigamos signal ka sa sila.
Besuch ka.
Uyacham dong. Lili.
The time is now 7:30, and Bonang once said in Cape Town, South Africa.
aba bantu bazothorisha ebusuku na naba besehla zoba bathatha iview naba dilapha
Nansi enye ihambe yebo. Le yapha emanzini. On your right. Iyahamba le. Is me in, not well.
hayi bo baba. Hello guys, I hope you guys are still good. Signal Hill sizophola apha kuyabanda izobabonisa i-view night uba injani. Lobeko abakini abazokuhayika
Isenhle. Eyo.
wow. Baby. Uthi uba ndivele kuyo.
Ukavele
Ye
ku.
ngaphi?
Nyuka.
So,
Usondele. Ya ngapha right. Imawondi izume in. Yo hayi so vele kuyo ke lahlo. Ngehlo wona wenza ngani? Ngikude. Yebo. Yebonisa lapha. And the seat asuzuvela. Wena umoshe nje le.
iyatshona kanye ngamehlo.
Iyatshona ikhona ilifo ligqumayo. Igqunya lelifo. Nyanga.
Besingazanga apha. Besiye ka-Woolworths siyothenga. But sizibona sesilapha. Sesizongqubeka apha ngenxa yakho. Ngubothe masizapha.
Ndim. Hayi. Ndim. Ndim. Khange. Nawente mase eWoolworth.
Sake sahamba pha kulaa ndlela. Sisiya. Kawuye kenhle ihamba pha. Uyiwabuka kanje pha kulaa ndlela.
Ewe ikin. Apha abantu bebelapha. Ricky. Nakbo Ricky.
lodumo. The Tape Mountain ivele